Rounding to nearest 10 lakh. Example, round the following numbers to the nearest 10 lakh. B. 34,86,980. C. 45 lakh. Solution. 34,86,980 consider as 30 lakh. Since the digit in lakhs place is 4, so we round down. C. 45 lakh consider as 50 lakh. Since the digit in lakhs place is 5, so we round up. Note: round up. When we round a given number to its nearest multiple of terms 100, 1000, 10,000, etc., which is greater than the given number is called rounding up. Round down. When we round a given number to its nearest multiple of 10, 100, 1000, etc., which is less than the given number is called rounding down.